Hey, we are at the next park today, and I will be trying my Rekon 5 drone for cinematic flying here. So I have Insta360 Go 2 camera with ND filter on top, and let's roll. And I have left the sound here on purpose, just to show how silent this ultra-light, long-range drone is. Nice, and you can see it has all the power to keep up with the dirt bikes. I like the picture quality of the Insta360 Go 2. We have nice motion blur with ND filter now. And in general, video is very smooth. Automatic exposure works well. And the most importantly, the Insta camera is much more durable and reliable than the GoPro, especially the light naked version. Now I get over 5 to 6 minutes of flight time with the Rekon 5, even then chasing the bikes with a tiny 4S 850 battery. And the drone is almost stock. I have replaced only props to Beta FPV ones. The stock Gemfans are so bad that we have literally exploded mid-air on the very first flight. But I had no issues, since I have switched to Beta FPV ones, and I haven't replaced a single prop since, even after catching multiple rocks and even crashing once at the AMP park last weekend. So I leave all links to the drones and all parts in the video description. And I have turned off air mode on this drone, as it caused some weird vibrations and jello in videos I shot last week, though again no issues after the turning it off now. So to sum up, yeah, I would definitely recommend Rekon 5 for cinematic flying. It is a long-range model first, but it has so many good features for cinematic use. It is so smooth, it's very light and super quiet. 5 to 6 minutes of flight time is awesome, even on a tiny battery, and even pushing the drones when chasing these dirt bikes. If you want just to cruise and get some slow cinematic footage, you could expect even over 8 minutes of flight time with the same 4S 850 battery. And the most important part, it has plenty of power and great performance, at least the 4S version I'm using. Wow! So yeah, I have been lying a little bit. All shots of quad and sidecar bikes were shot with the new Cinewhoop 25 and the same Insta360 Go 2 on the top. And yeah, this Cinewhoop is just so awesome. You would not believe the video is shot on a Cinewhoop, but it is. Here is a DJI goggles view, with ducks clearly in the camera view. And you can see this tiny Cinewhoop flies almost as fast as twice bigger 5-inch model. And here is how Rekon 5 looks in the goggles. Both drones use the same Nebula Pro camera, which is still not the same as the original DJI unit, but it's pretty close and pretty good enough now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this video was helpful, and subscribe so I could see you in the next one.